Hello, this is Raisno. So I'm gonna continue to make this game adventure in Java. So yeah, it's been a while since the last video. I was a bit busy and didn't have much time and energy to make another video. But yeah, since uploading the last video, I've received several comments and also direct messages as well, and I was told that this series is helping them to understand Java, and so yeah, it's really great if this series is helping you in some way. Yeah, let me say thank you again to those guys who gave me comments. Okay, so far we created this window and title screen and this start button and also this game screen. And this main text area and these 4 buttons. So the next step is we're gonna display player information here, around here. Okay, it's like this. So HP and weapon. So to display this information, we're gonna make another panel around here. So let's do that. So we're gonna make another JPanel. And I'm gonna name this panel as a player panel, and inside of this create game screen, player panel equal new JPanel, and player panel set bounds, and this time I'm going to choose 100, 15, 600, and 50. Okay. What? Player panel. And player panel set background color, and let's choose blue again for now. And next is player panel set layout. So we're gonna use custom layout again. So, and again new grid layout. And this time 1, 4. And add this panel to this container. Add player panel. Okay, done. Okay, let's check this. Run the program. Okay, so it's like this. So this is the panel we just created, player panel. So it starts from x 100 and y 15, and the panel width is 600 pixel, and the height is 50. So we created this player panel. So now we're gonna place texts on this panel. And so to display this text, we're gonna use this JLabel again. And so we're gonna create 4 JLabel, and one is I'm gonna name this HP label, and HP label number, and weapon label, and the weapon label number. Okay, and here first HP label equal new JLabel, and I'm gonna put some text here. HP label set font first. Okay, And yeah, let's use normal font again. And also HP label, set foreground. This means text color white. And add this label to this player panel. So player panel add HP label. Okay, so if you run the program, so it looks like this, HP. So we just created this HP label and placed on this panel. Okay, so let's make another 3 panels as well. So the next one is HP label number. So we're gonna display a HP value on this label. New JLabel. And HP label number, set font, normal font, number, set foreground, color white, and add this to player panel, HP label number. Okay. And next one is weapon label equal new JLabel. Set font, normal font, weapon label, set foreground, color dot white, and add to player panel. Okay. And the last one is weapon label number, no, name. Call new JLabel. Weapon okay, not number, sorry. Weapon name here. Weapon label name. Because yeah, because we're gonna display not number but name, weapon name. So okay, so weapon label name and set font, normal font, label name, set foreground, color white, and add to player panel. Name. Okay. And also here weapon label, I'm gonna put some text here. Weapon. Okay, let's check the program. So it looks like this. So HP and weapon, and we're gonna display number and weapon name here. But we will not type like this, like here, like 15 or something, because we want to use variable to handle this HP and knife, because this number can change in the game. When you receive damage, then your HP decreases, and if you pick up some new weapon, then your weapon name changes. So yeah, we want to use integer for this HP and a string for this weapon name. And so yeah, let me explain. Okay, so I think I'm gonna make another method here, public void, and I'm gonna name this as a player setup. And also I'm gonna type here player setup. No, setup. So this means after this create game screen method is processed, then it's gonna call this player setup method, and inside of this player setup method, we're gonna set some parameter for the player character. And so first we need to set player HP value. So we need to create a variable, and so I'm going to use integer value int, and name this as a player HP. And also we're gonna make string, and I'm gonna name this as weapon. And here, so player HP equal 15. So this is a variable, integer variable we just created, and we set the value as 15. So this is a default player HP, and also weapon equal knife. So this is the default weapon. So we put in some information into these variables, and so now we need to display this variable. So to do that, I'm gonna display this knife first, because this is easier. So we want to display this knife here. So this weapon is a weapon label, weapon, and here we cannot see anything now, but there is another label, weapon label name. And so we want to put this knife on this weapon label name. So to do that, you type like this: weapon label name dot set text and weapon. So by using this set text, you can display something on this label. Okay, so let me show you. So now knife is displayed. So by using this set text, you can display whatever you want, on this label. So for example, we used this string here, but you can also manually type text like this is my weapon or something. So in this case, you need to type between these double quotations though. Yeah, not everything is displayed because there is not enough space, but yeah, this is my weapon. Yeah, so you can also display manually typed text like this, or also you can put variable name here. And so now we want to display this HP. So it's kind of similar, and so now we're going to use this HP label number, JLabel, this one. So HP label and set text, it's same, but if you type like this player HP, but it doesn't work. The Eclipse gives you an error because basically this setText only can display text, not number. So in this case, string is a text, not a number, so it's okay. But now this is integer, so you cannot display integer with this setText basically, but there is a way to do that, and so it's kind of tricky. But if you type like this, double quotation plus and integer, then error disappears. Okay, so yeah, let's check it. Yeah, now 15 is displayed. So by typing like this, you can display integer as well, integer or as a number variable as well. Yeah, so now player HP and the weapon, yeah, player information is displayed properly. Okay, and let me change this blue to black. Okay, yeah, so now we have created a basic UI for the gameplay screen, HP, weapon, and the main text and the buttons. So now the preparation is done and we can start creating the story. Yeah, but before do that, let me do one more thing. Yeah, it's not so important maybe, but maybe you have noticed, but like when you start this and you can see, okay, how to explain this, but you can see this line surrounding this start. This is the button, and there is another like a button thing inside of this button, and this doesn't look good. And for some reason, if you click a button, then there is this line displays. Yeah, as if telling you clicked this one. But I think this is not necessary, so I want to make this disappear, and there is a way to disappear this line. So to do that, first let's start from this start button. Start button and set focus painted and false. So if you add this line, set focus painted false, then yeah, that line disappears. So I'm gonna add this to these 4 buttons as well. So choice 1 false, choice 2 set focus painted false, choice 3 set focus painted false, choice 4 set focus painted false. So now even if you click, that line doesn't appear. So I think this looks better.